Novae is a personal growth and self-development company. This company is what I like to call a category creator because it is nothing out there like it. The purpose of this company is to inspire, educate, and create opportunity for people. If you're looking to make an extra income, stay tuned because we can show you exactly how to do that. Right now, in our economy, on average, a person is in $15,000 worth of credit card debt, $155,000 in mortgage debt, and $32,000 worth of student loan debt. People are going to college in hopes of a better paying job and end up getting in debt and a job they qualify for immediately after high school. Therefore, people need to change because the current system is just not working. What is working and will continue to work is network marketing. It is a $154 billion industry and create more six-figure earners than any other industry. I've been in the industry for about 2 years and my life has changed dramatically. Not just financially, but I learned more about business and myself than I have prior to being involved. I realized that I did not have to trade time for money anymore and work with and for people that I did not like. You can start working towards your dreams immediately by becoming your own boss. Network marketing teaches you skills that are essential that you can use in many other areas in your life. Successful people in this industry become successful by genuinely helping others change their lives. That being said, Novae, which stands for New Beginnings, offer just that, a new beginning on a new path. Forbes.com had an article that asked why people do not succeed, and the conclusion came to a few different reasons. Lack of belief, poor associations, lack of direction, poor attitude, or comfortable being good. Novae offers an inspiration pack that assists with every area mentioned with personal development and get you connected with other like-minded people going after their goals and dreams. You will also get assistance with the game plan to take action. Novae also offers an education pack that gives you access to the tools and experts in the financial field who will assist you with coming up with a game plan to be on track to eliminating debt and becoming financially free. Most people do not have a financial game plan other than spend and save money. However, the debt elimination and budgeting tools will set you on a path of recognizing where you are financially and getting free from your current situation. The education pack also includes credit education. Right now, 25% of Americans have a credit score of 599 or lower, and many others have no clue what it will take to establish and build a strong credit score. A poor credit score can cost a person $200,000 to $1 million in high interest rates and fees over a course of a lifetime. A strong credit score is essential to financial freedom, and not only does Novae give you information on how to create effective habits to build your credit, but you will also get expert assistance with your current situation. How many people do you know who want to be inspired and motivated to chase their dreams? Take control of their financial situation. Build and establish a strong credit score and get paid while doing it. Well, Novae want to put money in your pocket when you become a member of these services. Why exactly would Novae pay you to enjoy the benefits and service? Well, it's simple. The company pays you to share the services with others. It's something you do all the time whether you know it or not. When you see value in a product or service, you genuinely share your experience with others. Think of the social media sites you use right now, for example, Facebook or Instagram, a multi-billion-dollar company who got its users from word-of-mouth advertising. People sharing their experience got enough people excited enough to get involved, and that is exactly what we do. We're not salespeople. We don't try to pitch people on something they don't want. We simply show people the facts, the numbers, and allow people to make an educated decision. So let us get to the fun part, making income. Let us say you get started and you decide to share your experience with 3 friends. Well, for each of the people you personally enroll at the Opportunity Pack, you earn a $70 weekly commission. After you show them the value, then guess what? They're also going to want to make income, so they share it with 3 people each also. You earn a $20 commission for each person that they personally sponsor. You can get paid these weekly commissions up to 7 generations and continue to get paid as people decide to get started. It's pretty exciting, right? Well, guess what? That's not all. Let's recreate that same scenario of you getting your first 3 people started with the services. Well, after you bring 3, you can get inspired for free. Therefore, you do not have to pay for the services from that point as long as 3 people continue to use the services. When those 3 people repeat the process, you will earn a residual income of $250 every single month on top of your weekly overrides. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. The easiest way to explain residual income is like real estate. Let's say you purchase an investment property. You can collect income from it repeatedly for just putting up the efforts of purchasing the property one time. Of course, real estate is much more expensive, which makes this opportunity very accessible and exciting for the average individual. So get back to the person who invited you to this video because they thought highly enough of you to want to partner up with you and help you start heading in the direction of living the life of your dreams. A mentor of mine, actually, Mr. Rico McDaniel, said it himself: if who you are could get you what you wanted, then you'll already have it. So let's continue to grow together.